Welcome students. Today I am going to discuss worksheet 4, that is of word problems of length chapter. For solving word problems, we need to understand the question first. Word problems are also known as the statement problems or the story problem. Firstly, go through the question properly and then understand the question and visualize the situation. Then find out the clue words and then solve it. Let us start with the first question of this worksheet, A part. Neetu bought 3 meter 75 centimeter of cloth for shirt and 2 meter 20 centimeter of cloth for trouser. What is the total length of cloth she bought? Now here in this question, we are talking about Neetu, who bought 2 pieces of cloth. Underline the numeral part which is required to solve the question. 3 meter 75 centimeter of cloth for shirt and 2 meter, this cloth she bought for making a shirt, and 2 meter 20 centimeter of cloth for making a trouser, right? So underline the relevant things which you think that they are required for making the statement and to solve the question. What is the total length of cloth she bought? Now in here we are to find out the total length. Now total is a clue word here. That means we have to add that total cloth, how much the total cloth is, how much the length of the total cloth is. So we will write the statement for this. Cloth for shirt, this is equals to, write meter and centimeter. Okay, now here in the meter part write 3, in centimeter 75, and then cloth for trouser, that is 2 meter and 20 centimeter. So write 2 in the meters column and 20 centimeter in the centimeters column. Now because we have to add, so make a sign of addition. Now total length of cloth also you can write, or total length you can write. This is equal to, now add it. After adding this you will get 5, 9, 5. So this is 5 meter 95 centimeter, right? So students, in this way you can solve your word problems. Second is, Amit travelled 15 kilometer 550 meter by train, 12 kilometer 400 meter by bus, and 1 kilometer 20 meter by scooter. How much distance did he travel in all? Understand the question first. Here they are talking that Amit travelled 15 kilometer and 550 meter, this much distance by train, this much distance he covered by bus, and 1 kilometer 250 meter distance he covered by scooter. Now we need to find, what do we need to find is how much distance did he travel in all. Whenever we have in all or all together, then in such cases also we have to add, and here also we have to add these 3 distances. Okay, so you can write distance traveled by train, or via train also you can write. Okay, distance traveled by train is equals to 15 kilometer 550 meter. Distance covered by bus is equals to 12 kilometer 400 meter. Distance covered by scooter is equals to 1 kilometer 250 meter. So the total distance covered is equal to, we have to add these. So I will add these separately. So make a separate column also. Whenever you do not get any space to add the things here, so you can add them like this also at this part, and then you can write the answer here, right? So this is kilometer, this is meter, and now write 15 kilometer and 550 centimeter here, 12 kilometer 400 centimeter here, 1 kilometer 250 centimeter here in the meter here in this column. This is meter column, 550 meter, 400 meter, 250 meter. Add them as we do. 0, 5 plus 5 is 10, 0, 1 carry, write it here, 9, 10, 11, 12, 2, 1 carry, it will go to the kilometers column. Now it will be equal to 9, and then this is 2. So it is 29 kilometer and 200 meter. So total distance covered by, you can write the name also, by Amit. Total distance covered by Amit is equal to 29 kilometer 200 meter, right? Coming on to the third C part, Mrs. Renu has ribbon 16 meter 75 centimeter long. She cuts it into two pieces. One piece is 8 meter 90 centimeter. Find the length of the other piece. Now here students, again she bought ribbon. How much, what is the length of the ribbon? Total length, that is 16 meter and 75 centimeter. Long means this is the length of the ribbon. She cuts into two pieces. Okay, one piece is 8 meter and 90 centimeter. Find the length of the other piece. Whenever such kind of the situation is given, when you have two pieces or two numbers and you have to find the another number, in such case you subtract the given number or the given piece from the total, right, in such situations. So what do we have to do? We have to subtract 8 meter 90 centimeter from 16 meter 75 centimeter. So do it. You can write directly total length of ribbon also, or total length is equals to 16 meter 75 centimeter. Again you can make the column here because the statement is not that long, so we have the space here to write it in column form. Length of one piece, length of one piece of ribbon you can write, or length of one piece is equals to 8 meter 90 centimeter. Length of other piece is equals to, now add it, sorry, we have to subtract, so subtract it, make the sign here, and then now 5 minus 0 is 5, 7 minus 9 is not possible, so it will be 17 minus 9, and that is equals to 8. 5 minus 8 is not possible, so 15 minus 8, and this is equal to 7 meter, this is centimeter, right? Coming on to the next part, D part. The heights of Ram and Sham are 1 meter 75 centimeter and 1 meter 28 centimeter respectively. Who is taller and by how much? The question is about the heights of Ram and Sham, right? Height of Ram and Sham are, Ram's height is 1 meter 75 centimeter and Sham's height is 1 meter 28 centimeter. How much? Who is taller? Firstly, we have to see who is taller and by how much. Now we can see, figure it out from here also, that Ram is taller. By how much? For that we have to, what do we have to do? We have to subtract. Now we will write height of Ram is equals to, again make meter and centimeter column. It is 1 meter 75 centimeter. Height of Sham is equals to 1 meter 28 centimeter. Then their difference is, difference means subtract करना है. We have to find out the difference. So now subtract it. 15 minus 8 is 7, and here 6 minus 2 is 4, this is 0. So 0 meter and 47 centimeter. So 0 meter there has no value, so we will write 47 centimeters. So thus, who is taller we have to write first. Ram is taller by how much? By 47 centimeter. Or you can make your own statements also, but your statements should be correct. Next, now this is E part. An ant climbed 9 meter 50 centimeter on a wall. Then it came down and down 4 meter 75 centimeter along the same wall. How far is the ant from the starting point? Now students, you can see, let us suppose that this is a wall and the ant is climbing up, right? So it covers distance 9 meter and 50 centimeter on wall. Let us say that this is 9 meter and 50 centimeter. At this point she reaches, and the distance she covered from the starting point to this point is 9 meter and 50 centimeter. Now she is coming down from here, and then she covered 4 meter and 75 meter distance. Let us say till this point she reached, and she covers 4 meter and 75 centimeter distance. Okay, she firstly ant climbs above, and then she came down 4 meter 75 centimeter. Now we are supposed to find out this distance from this starting point, this A point, to this. So how are we going to do it? We will subtract 4 meter 75 centimeter from 9 meter 50 centimeter, right? So let us see, what do we have to write? Distance climbed up is equals to, by ant you can write, make two columns, meter and centimeter, 9 meter 50 centimeter. Then distance covered in coming down, this is equals to 1 meter 28 centimeter. The difference between them we have to subtract. Now subtract it. 10 minus 8, 2, you know how to subtract. 2, 7. So it is 7 meter and 22 centimeter. So we will write thus, ant is how much far from the starting point? 7 meter 22 centimeter far from the starting point. Hope students the concept is clear to you all, and solve worksheet 4 of unit length. Thank you.